morning vlog. It's 5:50 in the morning. I need to wipe under my eyes because I look like a raccoon. Anyways, we're going to the beach. Here's my fit check before we leave. Shut up. We made it to the beach.
This is some visionary shit. Been trying to feel pleasure with my eyes wide shut, but it keeps on moving. I blame it on the model bra with the Hollywood smile. Stripper booty with the rack like wow. Never forget ya, you put me on a feeling I never had, never had, never had. And ever since I've been trying to get it back, you pick it up, put it back. Now I'm something like the chemist on campus, but there's no drug around. I like what I found in you. I still can't feel my face.
I just got beat up by a wave. How you feeling?
You know what I mean? I can't see shit. Good.
Can y'all see all the sand in his hair?
In my hair?
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
What am I smoking anyway? She said don't let the high go to waste. Can you taste it? Little taste. Novocaine, baby, baby. Novocaine, baby. I want you. Fuck me good, fuck me long, fuck me long. Love me now when I'm gone. Love me now, love me now, love me now. Numb. Novocaine, 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 Novocaine. Oh, numb the pain, numb the pain, numb the pain, numb the pain.
So I haven't updated in a while. We left the beach, got changed, went to go eat, and now we're walking around at the outlet mall.
Novocaine, 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 Novocaine. Oh, for the pain, for the pain. Novocaine, Novocaine.
Hello and happy Tuesday. We're going to my mom's house today.
I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do.
Okay.
Tell me what to do.
Okay.
Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I could do.
Okay.
Deep down, I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy. I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and
Oh, 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1. What are you doing?
It's fine. Oh, good. How are you? And I'm on the truck to come in. You guys? What was the first one?
You've got sound arms. Right? What about you don't want to make
What's your
You got some T-Move?
What do you rate the taco? A 5? Oh, a 10. Period. Okay, y'all. Update. I haven't done one in a while, but it's now 5:20 p.m. and I'm about to head to a babysitting job. I have to run by the ATM and get gas first, but the next thing on the agenda for the day is babysitting, which is actually perfect because my boyfriend just went to work a little bit ago. So I won't be sitting home bored for a while. I just took a shower and I've got all my things together though, so I'm gonna give you a fit check and we're gonna head out the door. Okay, so I have this purple Nike shirt on with these black Nike leggings that have the little bit of purple in the back. I have my Nike shoes on, my purple cup filled with water, and my keys. I have my purse in the car, which is also black, but clearly very Nike and purple today. Okay, we're about to go get breakfast. This is the fit check. We're also gonna go to the gym in a little bit. So I've got this black shirt from Amazon, blue leggings. I honestly have no idea where they're from. They're camo though, and they're super cute. But there's the fit. And I'm just gonna wear my Nikes.
No way, hit the brakes when they on patrol. No way, leave a mask when I forget the stone. No way, love one of you fucking.
What up, vlog?
We're going to the gym. It doesn't match the outfit today, but that's okay.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Hit that house, they tell me, is you with it, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch.
Okay guys, we just left the gym. The workout was a 10 out of 10. We did arms and cardio today. Now we are about to go home and probably just hang out until he has to go to work. We're going to my aunt and uncle's house before he goes to work.
Hi, vlog.
Okay, so my boyfriend just went to work. I'm home and I'm about to edit the YouTube video now. I charged up my computer. I'm pulling up the editing app and I'm getting all ready to go. I've got a water to drink while I edit and I'm set.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting into.
Good morning everyone and happy Friday. I'm currently on my way to a babysitting job. What are you doing?
I hear you talking about we a lot, or you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east.
Okay guys, it's been a while since I updated y'all. It's now Friday night, 7 o'clock. I got home from babysitting and spent some time with my boyfriend earlier, and then he went into work and I did some laundry and I'm building a dresser, which I'm about to finish building, but this is probably all I'm gonna film for today. I'm trying to get a good amount of clips every day, but I don't want to do just a bunch of montages, but I also don't want to talk too much and then the video be like 3 hours long still after editing. So I'm trying to find a good balance since this video is a week long. Oh, I finished the dresser. It is much larger than I thought it was gonna be, but it's still gonna fit in my boyfriend's closet. So now I need to move it in there. I did eat dinner before I finished this. So the only thing we have left to do tonight is fold these clothes and get them put away. This dresser is for my boyfriend and it is gonna go in his closet, but that means I get to take over his old drawers in the dresser that we're currently sharing, so we'll each have our own. So here is what his new dresser looks like in the closet. I think it looks amazing. I was a little nervous because of the height, but I think it looks perfect. Happy Saturday! We're at Walmart. My mom has gotten us hooked on PJ's coffee. Y'all, I'm currently getting ready to go to my cousin's birthday party, Rustin's birthday party, the little cousin I watched yesterday. It's his 4th birthday party. It's not his actual birthday today, but the party is today. This is my outfit. This striped shirt my mom got me it, and then these shorts are from TJ Maxx. I think they're like the Kendall and Kylie brand though. And then I don't have shoes on yet. I don't know what shoes to wear with this, but I'm about to put my hair up because clearly it's greasy. The shirt low-key makes me feel like that girl from the old book who had like the rainbow stripes all over her skin. I'm gonna put a picture up. If you know, you know. about to head out the door, but here's the full fit check. Wearing my Nikes, of course, my fave, and I've got my water. Let's go. I'm going help set up, so I have to get there 30 minutes early.
Pray for my demons, girl, I got you. Every time I sip on cocaine, I get vulnerable. Annoying the sounds of the storm when it comes. She understand I can't take her everywhere a nigga going. I've been in the field like the children of the corn. I can hear the tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at yourself cause you can't leave me alone. Gossip and messy, it ain't what we doing. Traveling around the world. Over the phone, dropping tears. I get my vulnerable when I can feel. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel. The real one, exactly what it is. I'll say it cause you know that's why I want to
He's rested.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rustin. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
You're gonna grow a watermelon?
I've been traveling around the world. I sit on my balcony and wonder how you feeling. I got a career that takes my time away from women. I can.
Give me a hint, like the first number.
Well, if you had to guess, how old do you think I am?
26.
26? You think I look 26?
10.
I look 10, but you think I'm 26? Okay, well, do you want to know how old I am?
Yes.
I am 19. I know.
That is literally like so young, dude.
I know. Have what we're looking for. Do you want to prime?
Sure. All right.
We got the essentials, energy drinks. He got a prime. And then I got some cleaning supplies for at home because adulting. And he got a brand new, what kind of car did you get?
It says Lotus.
A Lotus.
A Lotus.
That's super cool. Now we're ready to go to the house. Gonna give one to Peyton because he got me Chipotle.
It's because I got lost and I kept missing my turns, so I had to keep going.
Not the Rizzler. This is a charcuterie board for a 7-year-old. Food delivery done. Let's go put these clothes in the dryer for my mom.
That I love you for a living. I be.
One thing about coming to my mom's house is I will 9 times out of 10 be leaving with random things. Tonight I'm leaving with a wallflower scent in Coconut Lime Breeze. Brownies because they're dark chocolate and she does not really like dark chocolate. And then a cupcake tin of assorted desserts that... Okay guys, so I got home, I put the desserts away, and I put away the dishes because my lovely boyfriend did the dishes while I was gone before he went to work. And now I'm building a shelf. Lots of furniture building lately, actually. But yeah, I'm building the shelf. It's gonna go in the hallway closet for storage instead of us asking the landlords if we can build shelves in or trying to find ones we can put up without damaging the walls. We just got this, which I think is supposed to be a bookshelf, but the measurements should fit in the doorway of the closet, and that way we'll be able to store more things more efficiently without having to go through extra trouble. It's a bookshelf. Super cute. Happy Sunday. It's the last day of spring break and it's like 12:15. I've done nothing today. All right, y'all. So my boyfriend just went to work and I'm heading over to my grandparents' house to watch my little cousin open his birthday presents from yesterday and to eat some gumbo. It's my last day of spring break today. So while I am relaxing and enjoying my day, I also need to reset for the new week because tomorrow being Monday means back to school and back to work.
Say cheese. Look, cheese.
Here. Is that one that's refillable?
Yeah, I don't know.
It was the fake laugh for me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rustin. Happy birthday to you.
Cake?
You look so sad that it's over. I didn't know there was this many.
Yeah.
I'll get the wagon of them. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Ooh, green glasses.
Wow, Eli, that's the perfect size.
Yes. Wow, that's so. Oh. This one's the blue glitter. Too many presents. JJ. Feed me.
Bye. Wow, Rustin. Oh, you taking your glasses off? You ready? Was that fun?
You like their house?
Wow. Whoa. What's Stop. Oh, I showed him how to break them and now he just keeps dropping them. Oh.